Princess Squeaks! Sorry to cut, but Mommy just wanted me. Here's my Dollar Tree video. I went shopping with Grandma and the rest of my family, Millie and Baby Martha, and got these Dollar Tree things. Let me show them all to you. Here's my fashion doll dress. See, as you may see, I got another one of this outfit, but it's different. This is a princess dress. I'm going to paint it pink. And since this is a queen's dress, I'll paint it purple. See? Double the outfit. Here's my pony to customize. Here's my pony to customize. She looks so pretty with that pink mane, with a pink comb. And I have this purple chair to customize into the Queen's throne. And I'll add gemstones to it. And last of all, I have this Disney Princess Jumbo coloring book. And it has activities. And at the back, here's a matching game. Here's on the first page, it's Ariel. Here's Tiana. Here's Tiana. Here's Tiana. Roger and Jasmine. Oh, and here's a shadow match. If you can help me match the shadows next time, if you know who Shadow is, and if you know who Shadow is, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.